Hey, this is Jennifer, and today I have a really fun Shakira belly dance combo. We are going to combine the step hip, the shoulder shimmy, down hips, and a downward figure eight. It's gonna be really fun. These are really popular moves that Shakira uses in a lot of her performances and in her videos, and you can feel how fun that is in your body. If you want a complete system for learning belly dance, it's really the ultimate online Learn Belly Dance program. Click the link below to get a $1 7-day trial to my Feminine Fire program. It is a ton of fun. There's so much variety, and no matter how much time each day that you have, you can easily fit this into your day and experience all the fun that belly dance can bring you. So let's go ahead and get started on this fun Shakira belly dance combination. All right, welcome everybody. Let's get into our Shakira belly dance combination. The first move that we're gonna start with is called a step hip. And just so you know, all these moves, I break them down inside my Feminine Fire program if you need more step-by-step tutorials. So the step hip is we're gonna step out to the side and we're gonna send that hip forward with like a twisting and a lifting motion. So we wanna stay really good posture in our upper body, and we're shooting the hip forward. We're gonna step and hip, step, hip, step, hip, step, hip. So you want to think about aiming that hip towards 12 o'clock. Step, hip, step, hip. And you can keep your arms out to the side here, or you could do, you'll see Shakira do this type of thing. Sometimes she has her hand here, but you can put your hand behind your head and one arm out to the side if you want. If you don't want to worry about the arms right now, it's totally fine to just keep them out here. Let's do a tempo with this. Hip, hip. And this is just a really fun move, just all on its own. This is a great move to do throughout your day. Put on any type of music that you really enjoy, and you can walk across the room like this, and you can walk back. Okay, so we're gonna do 2-step hips in this combo. So we'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna do a shoulder shimmy. So when you do the shoulder shimmy, Shakira does this a lot, you wanna try to stay as loose as you can in your shoulders. So the looser, more relaxed you can be, the better. Especially when you're speeding up a movement, it's really important to try to stay relaxed. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna bend our upper body down, and it's helpful to bend your knees a little bit here. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're gonna bend. We're gonna bring our arms in like this, and then we're gonna pop up again. So again, remember to bend the knees so that you don't hurt your back. So your knees are taking the weight here, your legs. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Like that. Then we're gonna do hip drops. We also call these piston hips or down hips. Shakira does these a lot with her feet flat. Sometimes we do them on our toes. Totally up to you. Or you can make it more of an up hip, like a hip bump. Totally your choice. Just get some action going in your hips. If you want to do the down hip, you're going to contract and go down, 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 down. Or you'll go up, 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 up. We're going to do that for 4 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we're going to do 2 downward 8s. 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we're going to go down on this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then we'll start right back up again. I'm gonna face the same direction as you. Let's go through it slowly. 2-step hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, and down hips this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's just do that again just to get the feeling of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more time slow, starting from the beginning. Step, hip, step, hip, shimmy, 2, 3, 4, drop down and up, drop, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, down, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So, we're gonna now take it up to tempo. If you need to review what we just did till you feel like you got that more solid, go back and do that. Or you can always adjust the settings on your video to make the video slower so that you can keep up better. So totally different options for you. We're gonna start tempo. 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and down. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Down, 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 5, 6. From the beginning. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and drop. 2, 3, 4. Drop, down, 2, 3, 4. From the beginning. 7, 8, drop. From the beginning. 7, 8, drop. 2, 3, 4. Drop. 2. Step hip. 7, 8. Step hip. 7, 8. Drop. 3, 4. Last time. Step, hip, and step. Hip, step, hip. Down and. I hope you enjoyed that Shakira combo. Whew, I am really feeling it in my glutes, in my hips, in my core. Such a great workout in such a small amount of time. If you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you in the next video.